Now, contents of HRIS: objective, attributes, HRIS containing information about HRIS model, HRIS support, subsystem of HRIS, implementing HRIS, application of HRIS, management information system, importance and benefits of HRIS system, limitation of HRIS, barriers to the success of HRIS. HRIS is itself a very vast topic. Now, continuing, it is a systematic way of storing data and information for each individual employee to aid planning, decision making, and submitting of returns and reports to the external agencies that I have told you earlier also. A method by which the organization collect, analyze, and report the information about people and job. Objective of HRIS is to offer sufficient, comprehensive, and ongoing information about the people and job, to supply up-to-date information at a reasonable cost, to offer data security and personal privacy. Attributes of HRIS: a part of the organization larger management information system. An integration of HRM and information system helps HR manager to perform the function in an effective and systematic way. The system used to acquire, store, manipulate, analyze, retrieve, and distribute pertinent information regarding human resources. To make decision, HR and line managers require accurate human resource information. HRIS contain information about job, position, and people. ठीक है, there are some database in which collection of data has been done of the employee. ठीक है, that is known as human resource information system. That is known as HRIS. Human resource information system contains information about what is the job, what is the position, how many number of people are working over there. There is a database in which everything is maintained. ठीक है, their number of days they have worked, number of hours they have worked. These are the HRIS model. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, जॉब, पीपल, पोजीशन, जो मैं आपको पहले भी ये बताई है ठीक है. जॉब फैसिलिटी, सक्सेशन प्लानिंग, ठीक है, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, ऑक्यूपेशन सेफ्टी एंड हेल्थ, रिक्रूटमेंट, सिलेक्शन एंड प्लेसमेंट, टर्मिनेशन, हॉलीडे एंड लीव एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कैरियर डेवलपमेंट, remuneration management, payroll administration, employment terms and condition, organization structure, work design, job description, performance planning and review, succession planning. See how this model is. Take a screenshot of this model so that you can explain in such a manner. I have told you earlier also, you have to do your paper in such a way. Each and everything is covered in this topic. ठीक है, by showing this circle and division of this, everything is we are able to know. Now, HRI is supporting the strategic, tactical, and operational use of human resources of an organization. Collect, store, and process employee information, provide reliable information for decision making, allow organization to access effectiveness of HR policies, programs, and decisions. Now, human resource information system, there is ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट. डिस्क्रिप्शन में ट्रैक, ट्रेनिंग, स्किल अप्रेजल्स, ये आप लोगों को पहले भी हम हर टॉपिक में कवर कर चुके हैं. कैरियर पैंथरिंग, डिज़ाइन एम्प्लॉय, कैरियर पाथ्स, कंपनसेशन प्रोसेस हो गया, मॉनिटरिंग, वेजेस हो गया, सैलरीज हो गई, बेनिफिट्स हो गए. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग, प्लान लॉन्ग टर्म लेबर फोर्स नीड्स. Now, subsystem of HRIS: administration information, manpower planning information, personal research information, appraisal information, payroll information, training information, recruitment information. steps of setting up an HRIS: planning, analysis, design, implementation and maintenance. Here it is fast और यहाँ पे present slow हो रहा है.